Ama.
Ethnic.
Ethnic.
Wa. Duik. Ba. Ublami. Fa. Kap. Hapik. Vowel combos. Aka. E. Uguq. Amak. As in Imak. Umak. Ia. Umiak. O. Kok. As in Ua. Guak. O. Kok. As in Au. Kauk. Iu. Kiruya. As in Kiruya. Ui. Uinraqtuq. Tired. Uinraqtuq. Ariga. Atosaq. Malaqaq. Pingasut. Sisamat. Talimat. Itchakshat. Talimat malaqaq. Talimat pingasut. Kulinguruteyak. Kulit. Atosaq malaqaq. Pingasut in your bed. Sisamat. Talimat. Itchakshat in your bed. Talimat malaqaq. Talimat pingasut. Kulinguruteyak. Kulit. Atosaq malaqaq. Pingasut in your bed. Sisamat. Talimat. Itchakshat in your bed. Talimat malaqaq. Talimat pingasut. Kulinguruteyak. Kulit. Ariga. Sumixuli. Nakuk. Kikagachi. Tall. Kikagachi. Stand up. Gachi. Nakuk. Duik. Sitkuk. Uruq. Sitak. Kingak. Kablu. Ikshak. Kigutit. Talik. Narak. Iġluguq. Dakuk duik. Sitkuk uruq. Sitkuk uruq. Sitkuk uruq. Nakuk duik. Sitkuk uruq. Sitak. Kingak. Iġluguq. Sitak. Kingak. Iġluguq. Kavluk. Ikshak. Kigutit. Tablu. Kigutit. Tablu. Kigutit. tavlu, kavluk, ikshak, kikutik tavlu, dalek, najak, Iġluq, dalek, najak, Iġluq. Ariga. Let's do. Oh. Isaurriruq. Isaurriruq.
Yay!
Iġluguq talekpin. Talekpin. Somen. Talekpin. Uguqtin. Somekmun. Isaurriruqtin. Somen. Uguqtin. Talekpikmun. Uguqtin. Uguqtin. Talekpikpin. Arigaqtin tunupnun. Iġluguq. Niviruqtin. Niviruqtin. Oh, that was supposed to be first. Niviruqtin. Sikulutin. Sikulutin. Diokin. Dikin. Lekshaktilugu. Dimin. Lekshaktilugu. Ikka pikka. Hyvä tiken. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. 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 Smunnik paemia. Sukashi. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Smunnik paemia. Sukashi. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Smunnik paemia. Sukashi. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Ikka. Pikka. Kanna. Hyvä. Smunnik paemia. Ariga. Suuflungatuk. Ayuktuk. Amaruq. Au. Tuluraq. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Amarungalungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Au. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Kayuktungalungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Pah. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Tulurangulungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Again. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Suuflungatuk. Angilyangatuk. Amarungalungatuk. angilangatuk. Sutlungatuk, angilangatuk. Sutlungatuk, angilangatuk. Kayok tungalungatuk, angilangatuk. Sutlungatuk, angilangatuk. Sutlungatuk, angilangatuk. Tulorangolungatuk, angilangatuk. Ariga. Ariga. Mixuli.
My son, I've been singing that to him. Atu wurunga inermon asi ukalauti ranga. Naomi adognaru unorman. Suli uvludorman naga. So I've been singing that to my son, but he tells me it's too scary to sing at night, so I can only sing it during the day. We love that song. Nakuagi giput una atun.
It's a good one.
Hoyanak ilisauti ramanga Iġluguq.
Let's see. You want to try Anuracha? Anguracha, kichongarok, kinirakshak, sikuni, kiniga, ukalechak, kachak tukpini, ikayunga, niplexuk, tukunak, tukaktunga, uvarutin, aglinakluk, suregi, sikpin. Angurachak, ichongarok, kinyerak, sikuni, kinyera, ukalechak, kachak duktini, ikayunga neplexuk, ubarutin agina luk, tukunak tukaktunga, ubarutin agina luk, Sregi sikpin. Angurachak, ichongarok, kinyakshak, sikuni, kinyiga, ukalechak, kachak duktini, ikayunga neplexuk, tukunak tukaktunga, uvarutin agina luk, Sregi sikpin. Ariga. Okay. Kublu. Dikik. Kitiklik. Mikilrak. Ikikurak. Nami kuvlu, nami kuvlu, uva, uva, kanokit binu blupak, nakurunga kuyana, olak duk, nami tikik, uva, uva, kanokit binu blupak, nakurunga kuyana, olak duk, nami kitiklik, uva, uva, kanokit binu blupa, nakurunga kuyana, olak duk, nami mikilrak, uva, uva, kanokit binu blupa, nakurunga kuyana, olak duk, ikit kurak, uva, uva, kanokit binu blupak, nakurunga kuyana, olak duk. Okay, yes. Ariga. think that was about it. You guys have any questions?
Is that stretching song on the shared drive?
I could add it. It's actually my mom's stretching that she calls kigeyakta. And it's just stretches that she does every morning with them. And you could do them any day or anytime. They're good stretches. So I'll
I was just for the written because I wanted to practice it.
yeah, I could add it to the dutit or just on the drive. It's not a song.
Yeah.
Stretches.
The drive is good.
Okay. Ariga?
And it would be helpful.
Does everyone have access to the drive?
It
I
would
think
be
I have to
helpful.
add you, Chelsea.
Okay. It would be helpful
And-
too if you could describe what we're saying in those things. I
Okay.
know we can guess and feel for what it means, but
Okay.
for the background, for the leaders, I've never.
Isaurriruq is to raise your hand. Iġluguq, talikpin, raise your right hand. Then uguq is to lean. Stomach mode is to the left. Then isaurriruq, raise your isaurriruq somin, raise your left hand. And then uguq talikpikmun, lean to the right. And then arigaktin tunupnun Iġluguq, put your hands behind your back. And then nivigutin is to raise your chin. Arigaktin Iġluguq, sikulutin, you bend forward. For young people, it's okay. For older people, it's really hard. So you go forward and try and touch your head to your knees. Then tiukin, your shoulders. Iġluguq Iġluguq, move them. Timin is your body. Iġluguq Iġluguq, shake your body. Get all this squirmies out. So that's what it means.
I wonder if you could say like each phrase and then we could practice saying it. So if you could say like each phrase like 3 times and then maybe we could say it 3 times. Because that's how I have to learn.
Okay. Isaurriruq.
Sarutin.
Isaurriruq. Isaurriruq. Isaurriruq talikpit. Talikpiun. Isaurriruq talikpiun. Uguq somikmun. Uguq somikmun. Uguq somikmun. Isaurriruq. Isaurriruq somin. Isaurriruq somin. Isaurriruq somin. Uguq talikpikmun. Uguq talikpikmun. Arigaktin tunupnun Iġluguq. Arigaktin Iġluguq. Arigaktin tunupnun Iġluguq. Arigaktin Iġluguq tunupnun. Nivigutin. 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 Arigaktin Iġluguq. Sikulutin. Arigaktin Iġluguq. Sikilutin. Arigaktin Iġluguq. Sikulutin. Tikin Iġluguq Iġluguq. Tikin Iġluguq Iġluguq. Tikin Iġluguq Iġluguq. Timin Iġluguq Iġluguq. Timin Iġluguq Iġluguq. Timin Iġluguq Iġluguq. Ariga.
Suli.
Suli? Okay. Isagutin. 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 Ilasalugo talekpin. Isalugo talekpin. Ulgutin somikmun. Ulgutin somikmun. Ulgutin somikmun. Isalugo somin. Isalugo somin. Isalugo somin. Ulgutin talekpikmun. Ulgutin talekpikmun. Ulgutin talekpikmun. Iġluguq. Iġluguq tin dunupnun Iġluguq. On the page, it's Iġluguq tin Iġluguq dunupnun. So in Iñupiaq, you could switch things around, but it still says the same thing, right? Iġluguq tin Iġluguq dunupnun. Put your hands behind your back. Iġluguq tin Iġluguq dunupnun. Then nivigutin. 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 Iġluguq tin Iġluguq sikuhlutin. Iġluguq tin Iġluguq siklutin. Diukin. Oh, sikulutin. 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 Diukin. Iġluguq Iġluguq. Malorok, right? Diukin. Iġluguq Iġluguq. Dimen. Iġluguq Iġluguq. Dimen. Iġluguq Iġluguq. Dimen. Iġluguq Iġluguq. Ariga.
Uktorupiq uvanga. Could you scroll up? Susuk. Hirayakta. Hirayakta. Isagutin. Isaurriruq talakpiun. Ulgullutin saumikmun. Ulgullutin saumikmun. Isaurriruq saumin. Isaurriruq saumin. Ulgullutin talakpikmun. Oh. Ulgullutin talakpikmun. Arqaqtin Iġluguq tunupnun. Arqaqtin Iġluguq tunupnun. Nivigutin. 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 Arqaqtin Iġluguq sikillutin. Qanuk piva una. Arqaqtin.
Dunup.
Oh, arqaqtin Iġluguq sikillutin.
Yeah. Penta.
Oh, dabra.
E.
Arqaqtin Iġluguq. Oh, arqaqtin Iġluguq sikillutin. Tuikin Iġluguq. Tuikin Iġluguq. Tuikin Iġluguq. Dimen Iġluguq Iġluguq. Dimen Iġluguq Iġluguq.
Ariga.
Dabra.
Ilotaktitin. Atasiak ilvinlu.
Let me pull it up. Oh, I don't have it. I thought it was in your attachments in today's email.
It's she's sharing it right now.
Okay.
I think Suzuk is.
Could you scroll to the top, please? Here. Hirayakta. isagutin, isagutin, isagutin. Isaurriruq talikpiung, isaurriruq talikpiung, isaurriruq talikpiung. Ulgulutin somikmun, ulgulutin somikmun, ulgulutin somikmun. Isaurriruq somin, isaurriruq somin, isaurriruq somin. Ulgulutin talikmun,
Somin uguqlutin talikpikmun. Ugutin talikpikmun.
ulgulutin talikpikmun, ulgulutin talikpikmun, ulgulutin talikpikmun. Argaktin ililugich tunapnun, argaktin ililugich tunupnun, tunupnun. Argaktin ililugich tunupnun. Nivigutin, nivigutin, nivigutin. Argaktin tirulugich sikillutin.
Sikillutin.
Oh,
Put your hand behind your back and hands behind your back, and your head goes to your sitcoks, your knees. Sikillutin.
okay. Argaktin tirulugich sikillutin. Argaktin tirulugich sikillutin.
Ariga. Need to scroll up a little bit.
Tuikin Iġluguq, tuikin Iġluguq, tuikin Iġluguq. Timin Iġluguq, timin Iġluguq.
Ariga. Below taktitin. Suzuk. Ilvinlu.
Yaka. Hikayakta. Hikayakta. Isa ko din. Isa ko din. Isaurriruq talikpiung. Isaurriruq talikpiung. Ulgulutin somikmun. Ulgulutin somikmun. We gotta learn how to say, don't forget to breathe. Isaurriruq somin. Iġluguq somin. Ulgulutin talikpikmun. Ulgulutin talikpikmun. Argaktin Iġluguq tunupnun. Argaktin Iġluguq tunupnun. Nivigutin. Nivigutin. Argaktin tiruluguq sikillutin. Argaktin tiruluguq sikillutin. Tuikin Iġluguq. Tuikin Iġluguq. Timmin Iġlugu. Timmin Iġlugu. Ah, nagu hurak. Nagu. Alente yarga.
Lotak titan susuk. Kunok. Bilbenlu.
Her. Uh, isaurriruq.
E.
Adosing. Malonic. Pingsinic. Adosing is good enough. I would do isaurriruq. Isaurriruq. Dalek Bune. Yeah. Olrolutin so make moon. Olrolutin so make moon. Isaurriruq so mean. Isaurriruq so mean. Olrolutin Dalek big moon. Olrolutin Dalek big moon. This is good to stretch. Azraktin Iġluguq dunupnun. Alra Iġluguq dunupnun. Nevirotin. Nevirotin. Oh, I cracked my shoulder. That felt good. Nevirotin. Yeah, scroll. A little bit.
Susuk, can you scroll?
Mickey rope.
Arigaktin.
I'm trying. It's not cooperating.
I should have it memorized by now. I can.
There, I pick up
There
the,
we
pick it up.
go. Arigaktin. Iġluguq Iġluguq.
E.
Arigaktin Iġluguq Iġluguq. Tuikin Iġluguq. Tuikin Iġluguq. Una.
E.
Diminin Iġluguq. Diminin Iġluguq.
Dimin. Ilakshaktilugu.
Demon. Demon?
Dimin. Ilakshaktilugu.
Demon Iġluguq.
E. Ariga. Pilotak titan. Do you want to try? Sorry.
Iñupiaq
E. Amirak.
Songs.
Oh, yeah, I can try. Please be patient and please correct me. I would really appreciate it. Isa guten?
Sagutin.
Isa guten. Isa guloro? Dalek yun?
E. Isaglugu talakpiun.
Isa guloro dalek yun.
Ariga.
Urlotin sa mekmyun?
Ulgulutin.
Ugulutin sa mekmyun?
Somek. Saumik
Okay.
min.
Sa mekmyun? Isa guloro oh my gosh, I am so sorry. Samim.
E.
Oh, okay.
Isaglugu. Isaglugu. Iġluguq.
Isaurriruq.
Saumin.
Saumin.
Iġluguq saumin.
Isaurriruq. Saumin. Uguqtin talek. Talepium.
Uguqtin talekpikmun.
Uguqtin talekpikmun.
Talekpikmun.
Oh man. Uguqtin talekpikmun. Argaktin Iġluguq tunap. Oh no.
Tunupnun.
Tunap.
Arigaktin Iġluguq tunupnun.
Nun.
Argaktin Iġluguq tunap. Oh no.
Uga. Ikayugnyak bin Iñupiaq. Nun.
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 Nup. Nun.
Nup. Nun.
Nup. Nun.
Nup. Nun.
Tunup. Nun.
Tunap. Nun.
Tunup. Nun. Tunup. Tunup. Nun. Tunup. Nun.
Tunap. Thank you. Okay, wait. He might be on a destructive path. Okay. Niveruqtin. Niveruqtin.
Niveruqtin.
Niveruqtin. I'm gonna have to stop. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Nakuruk. Ariga. Deborah? Anybody else?
Huyanak. Huyanak borak. Huyanak baurak. Iġluguq. Atulotaktutin ilisarilotaktutin ilichirunga ilichakpaktunga Iñupiatun uflami. I usually like to end with just maybe what people enjoyed about today's gathering and how you've incorporated some Iñupiaq in your home since we last met.
Actually have a homework assignment that came from Iġluguq when we did Ilisaqatibut in 2019. It's a form for you to fill out. It's real easy. Let me see if I can find it.
I could share.
Can you?
Oh, I thought I could share while you find that. Oh, what I've been doing.
Here's the form.
Oh.
I know
It's
if
really-
Susan could share it. It's individual language plan. Plans should be restricted, frequent, and attainable. Keep it real simple. Your name, a time frame, like from this week to next week. Activity or domain I want to learn, and words and phrases I need to learn to carry out my language plan. Those are all simple. Let's keep it to one goal even. So activity or domain I want to learn, and words and phrases I need to learn to carry out my language plan. So it was sent out this morning, if you could fill it out. But yeah, we can move on to what you've been doing this week.
I printed this song and laminated it that Anok made, but I had some questions about it. The Ilnin Paning Big Bin. In that third line, it has two L's. Did you want a shla right there, or did you want two L's? Because it says Big Bin.
Should be pikpari pialak kikpin.
Oh, okay.
But I think in Kuvang Mitun it's pikpari salak kikpin.
Oh, okay. But yeah, I printed that out and I'm gonna sing it with my kids. I printed Digung and Aksigung to play with Holland, Digung. And I could say Digung Dodger. And she could point at Dodger. Aksigung, what could I say? Akshak. Aksigung, touch the akshak, the ball. So I plan on keeping these on my island because that's like the place where we always sit. And then at mealtime, I want to do this, what we did last week, that Anok and Nalukutuk, is that how we say your mom's name? Nalukutuk. The Diugung Kakiutak. Diugia Kakiutak. Ililui Kakiutak. Iligia Kanunga Kakiutak. Just so I could practice them and get better. But I really love the stretching song. My back feels really good. And that'll be a good one to do just to start the day with language. Because usually we sing a song in my house when the babies wake up. I used to do it with Holland, and it's kind of like what you sang at the beginning, but we say oovla lo duck, oovla lo duck, oovla lo duck, bunning. And I sing it to my son too, so I'll say igning. When Holland was born, I would say avu in the song. But my twins' names are longer, Avasruk and Kopikshuk, so it didn't quite fit the syllables of the song. And then I say Kanoritbin, 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 Irning. And then my grandma always said Nawalikbin for I love you, so I just keep it that way. I say Nawalikbin, 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 Irning. And it's so funny because Holland, she'll be like, Ironuk, and she'll run back there, and then she'll start to unzip his little tent. I have him sleep in these blackout tents, and as she's opening it, she'll be like, ooh, it's so cute. But she's so smart, so like I really like these classes every week. Wednesdays work out really well for me, and these are just ways I could continue to do them every week instead of do them and then forget them like I have been doing. Devra.
You're doing great. One thing that we've done, we got when we were at Ilisuq Katibut's annual meeting, Ukulisak won a bundle with words. And it's back to what we used to learn, how we used to learn back in the 80s, but it's just sticking the Iñupiaq words on things, right? Anagvik for bathroom, right? Nanik for light. But it's a good reminder just to try and speak more Iñupiaq in the home. And I don't know who brought them or how we got them, but we won them. So it's a great little resource to use.
I can share. We've been doing the Iġluguq, Iñupiaq song, and the kids really love the animal sounds. I've been doing just like ritual phrases, so like Iġluguq arak din neri sangangapda, inanadzira, duvotak nadzira, silavya liurukpin. I noticed that anaw naru is don't hit her, don't hit him. Anaw naru. Or dinu naru, don't push her, don't push him. Then I always say to Saklaw din naru, don't yell at her, don't yell at him. And then even better, you could do anaw nanga, don't hit me. Dinu nanga, don't hit or don't push me. Saklaw din nanga, don't yell at me. Those are in Norse slope, but they're real handy with little ones, especially if you have more than one.
Especially boys.
Yeah. I think of other ones we use. Nirinaru, don't eat it. Let's see, what else have we been doing? I've been reading White Mountain children's books to the kids at night, and I usually ask them like, did you see it? Dusalavyu, did you hear it? Sutukpin, what do you want? Sutukpin. Silavyak tukpin. Maktak tukpin. Maktak turin, eat your maktak. Maktak turin. Yeah, I think just having these meetings is just kind of reinforcing routines, and whenever we learn new material, I try to share. Last Saturday, we learned stuff like Iġluguq, like I'm cuddling you. Iġluguq. That in the chat. Yeah, regaling. Let me cuddle you. No, I actually haven't taught those, even though they're in my thesis, but I noticed that by forcing myself to teach them, I'm remembering them again. And then I've used them a few times with the kids, but I think by going through this, by teaching, I'm like putting more room in my brain to speak. And then I've been wanting to learn this stretching thing ever since I heard Iġluguq, and I'm gonna like try to do it when I go to Gollivan and Ilum this upcoming week and see if I pass, or hopefully I pass.
A good phrase to do with your kids, and it's one that's repeated. I think HO, it's not really taught, but it's repeated a lot. Nalag nilutin. Do listen. Nalag nilutin. And it's a command, right? You listen. Nalag ni lutin.
I would love just a whole lesson plan on scolding phrases for kids. 'Cause I would use it every day.
I'll write down the ones I know and share them.
Iñupiaq na kakunak. Do you guys want to share anything?
Yeah, I can share. I haven't really implemented like for myself with Elijah anything new. But my aunt is in town, and so she was able to start singing to him, and then we had a campfire last night, and she was just talking with him. And so it was a big reminder that I was like, oh yeah, I need to keep up on learning more for him. So nothing super new on my end, but still learning and still getting myself in the habit, I guess, of learning new and being open to learning so I could teach Elijah. And that's about it.
Yeah. I just haven't, well, my grandma's funeral is tomorrow, and I was tasked to pick a song and her Iñupiaq songs that they like to sing at their choir. So I've been practicing singing the Iñupiaq songs to prepare for her funeral. And then my mom also wanted me to read a poem called Anna in Iñupiaq. So I've been practicing reading the poem, and now it's tomorrow, so I'm really going to be practicing tonight. So that's what I've been working on for myself, and I do it around my daughter, so she listens to me practice. But that's what I've been working on since last time.
You guys are all doing amazing work. Keep it up. Ariga.
Good job. Are you working on your Iġluguq? Yeah, look at those, beautiful. I'm working on my
Quiana.
uguq.
Nice. Yeah, mine sure shrunk, so Jared made this wooden thing of my foot to keep it from shrinking, and it actually feels a lot better crimping against it. My wrists hurt from crimping. I don't know what it is, how I'm holding it, but that's why I keep doing this.
Good to stretch too.
Yeah. But man, thank you, Quiana, everybody. This is such a good thing to have every week. It really has like reignited a fire in doing this, because I was really motivated with Holland during COVID and she was real good, like before, by the time she was 18 months, she sure knew things, but the twins were like in survival mode and they don't know as much as her, but they'll learn real fast, I know. So this helps me to stay accountable.
Yeah. Did Atasiak, did you want to share next Wednesday? Or
I could.
okay. I can make a Zoom link and invite.
Okay.
And then I'll be teaching Saturday morning again. I think I'm gonna just teach or share what I did last Saturday, because my uguq was there and my mom, but I want to share like more with more people what I worked on. So those are some options for people, and I guess we'll keep alternating on Wednesdays with who wants to share, and it's open to anybody. Also, you can propose different times, but Really good to see everybody. Ariga Dr. Rapsi.
Yeah, Anna.